Hey creators, are you tired of waiting for YouTube monetization before you can make money online? Well, guess what? There's a new app that actually pays you just for posting your content. No monetization needed. It is called Kwot App. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, how to post, and how to withdraw your earnings. So, Kwot App is a platform made for content creators like you and me. Whether you make videos, skits, lifestyle content, tutorials, or short clips. It gives you a simple way to earn money by sharing your posts, building your profile, and engaging with your followers. It is available for free and it works on both Android and iPhone. You can use the link I'll be dropping in the description box to get started. So after downloading the app, open it and create your account using your email or social login. Then set up your profile. I have already done that, but go ahead to set up your profile, add your photo, your bio, pick your niche like lifestyle, fashion, gaming, or motivation. So this will help Kwot know what kind of content you create and then connect you with the right audience. So now to start posting, go over to video, click on video down here, click on video. You look up, you see upload, click on upload. This is your creator dashboard. So look up, you click on upload video. So here you can upload a video or a short clip. So you enter your video title, your category, choose what your video, under what category it falls, whether it is music, comedy, or entertainment, just choose. Then you choose your language and you select your target audience. And then you click on upload and then you wait for it to be uploaded. So the more people view, like, and engage with your post, the more points or earnings you get. And Kwot rewards you for being active. So keep posting quality content, interact with others, and grow your fan base. So once you start earning, you can easily withdraw money from the app. So you fill in your bank details. Here is it, bank details. I've already done mine. So fill in your bank details. Then when you have up to the minimum withdrawal, you click on my wallets. You click on my wallets and you click on withdraw. As you can see, minimum withdrawal limit is 20 token. So once you have up to the minimum withdrawal, you can go ahead to place your withdrawal. Once your request is approved, your payments usually reflect within a few hours or days. So this app is perfect for content creators, influencers, and beginners who don't have big followers yet, but you want to make money online. So as long as you post creative content, you can grow and you can earn. So this app is one of the best new ways to earn as a content creator without stressing about monetization. So the more you post, the more you earn. That's just it. So if you're a content creator or you just want to make extra cash online, go ahead to download Kwot app today. Use the link in the description box to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.